Hey everyone and welcome back. Today we are comparing two popular platforms for creators and entrepreneurs, GoModern and Kajabi. Both can help you launch and manage online courses, but they cater to slightly different needs. Let's break it down and see which one is right for you. Target audience: GoModern focus on local business looking for an all-in-one marketing and sales solution. While online courses are possible, it's not the primary focus. Kajabi designed specifically for creators and course builder who want to sell online courses, memberships and coaching program. Key chart: GoModern website builder with marketing tools include email marketing and social media management, appointment scheduling and online booking, customer communication by SMS, email or social media, limited course creation capability. Kajabi robust course building platform with landing page, email marketing and video hosting, membership site functionality for recurring revenue, advanced marketing features like sales panel and webinars, limited building tools for website management or appointment scheduling may be require integration. Pricing: GoModern pricing vary based on the featured and numbers of locations. Plan typically start around 14 per month. Kajabi 3 pricing trigger: $149 USD, $199 USD and $399 USD per month, with increasing featured and students capacity. Choosing the right platform: GoModern is good fit for local businesses with a strong focus on lead generation and customers communication, businesses that may offer occasional online courses alongside other services. Kajabi is a good fit for entrepreneurs and course creators who want to dedicate platform for selling online courses, membership and coaching program. Businesses prioritizing advanced marketing tools and sales panel. Here is a quick recap table. Ultimately, the best platform depends on your specific needs and goal. If you are a local business with a focus on in-person service and lead generation, GoModern might be a good fit. But if online courses and membership are your core business, Kajabi offer a more better solution. So thank you for your time to watch this video. If you think this video is helpful for you, then click on the like button and subscribe to my channel. And if you need any service relevant Kajabi or GoModern, then you can contact with me. I have shared my all the communication information in the video description and the first comment. So check out it and let's discuss. Have a nice day. Bye bye.